Here are the key features of the SF-M15 144 solar module series, developed by Shinefar Solar Power. Half cells technology with 144 half-cut monocrystalline cells in these ensures efficient performance even in low light conditions, with a conversion efficiency of up to 20.87%. Equipped with 158.75mm cells, the modules can generate up to 420 watts, making them a top choice for both small and large-scale projects. The use of a lesser number of more powerful modules allows to save space, which is useful in rooftop installations and large-scale projects, and provides considerable benefits from a balance of systems cost reduction. A multi-busbar design with 9 busbars lowers the temperature coefficient, resulting in a decrease in power loss. Stable power output is ensured by positive power sorting. Rated power of these modules only extends to positive deviations, up to 5 watts of rated output. The production process is strictly controlled and optimized to ensure the elimination of negative effects in modules, resulting in excellent resistance to potential induced degradation. The product is also certified to withstand the most challenging environmental conditions. Robust design with an anodized aluminium frame, highly transparent self-cleaning glass, and an IP68 protected junction box ensures high mechanical strength with wind loads of up to 2,400 Pascal and snow loads of up to 5,400 Pascal. The maximum system voltage is 1500 volts, providing another possibility for balance of system components cost reduction. The standard packing configuration for these is 31 modules per pallet, with 759 and 924 pieces in a 40-foot high cube container. We offer 15 years product warranty and a 30-year linear power warranty for this product. Our fast and professional customer support services are at your disposal, including customer hotline, logistics support, after-sales services, and technical support, as well as system design. Industry-leading automated production lines with advanced machines, an experienced research and development department, thorough quality control, and a dedicated customer support team allow us to provide high quality and cost-effective solutions for our customers since 2010.